Hey guys! Welcome to OI Quiz. 99% people fail these 20 riddles challenge. Are you ready? Let's get started. A man goes outside in heavy rain, without an umbrella or hat, but his hair doesn't get wet. Why? Answer. Because he is bald. When used, and picked up, when it is not needed. Answer. Ship anchor. I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me, for more than 5 minutes. What am I? Answer. Breath. What is the thing of a human being that does not get wet, even after bathing? Answer. Shadow. If you drop me, I'm sure to crack. But give me a smile, and I'll always smile back. What am I? Answer. A mirror. There are some books in a bookshelf. If the number of a book is 4 with the opposite hand, and 7 with the right hand, how many books are there on the shelf? Drop your answer in the comment section. What is the children's toy, which cannot be bought by rich people? Answer. Chanda Mama. Friends, we need your support. Many people watch the video, but very few people subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video and tell us in the comments how many riddles you answer correctly. What is that thing that happens inside and outside the house at the same time? Answer. The outer door of the house. Leo's father has 4 sons, spring, summer, autumn, and Answer. Leo. What is the thing that has arms and throats, but no face and hands? Answer. Shirt. I always come second, but I end up first. What am I? Answer: February. If you pass the person in second place, what place are you in? Answer: second. If 6 people drink 6 glasses of water in 6 minutes, how many minutes will 3 people drink 3 glasses of water? Answer: in 6 minutes. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video and tell us in the comments how many riddles you answered correctly. I have 13 hearts, but no organs. What am I? Answer: a deck of cards. What is it that boys get once and girls twice? Answer: surname. Do you know what has a ring, but no finger? Answer: a telephone. Do you know what is the thing made of wood that cannot be cut, even with a saw? Answer: wooden. Who is that woman who always knows where her husband is? Answer: widow woman. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video and tell us in the comments how many riddles you answered correctly. Emma has 5 daughters, and they each have a brother. How many children does she have? Answer: 6. Why boys wear in the opposite hand, and girls wear the watch in the right hand? Answer: to see the time. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Share your score in the comments section. Like, share and subscribe to OI Quiz.